What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Cloud Boy from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top left side of each eye. We're going to break a circle coming in and then around for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's move to the center, step down and add the mouth. We're going to shift this up towards the left. So we're going to start up here, bend this down, and then across. Let's draw the outside of the cloud. We're going to start with the one in the middle, starting directly above the left eye. Bend this up, and then down. Let's add another bump going around the eye. So we're going to go up, around, and then in. Now I want to draw the bottom of the head. Starting back on the left, we're going to bend this out, come in towards the bottom, and we'll close off the bottom with a curve. Starting back on the left, come across the bottom of the head, and then gradually bend that back up towards the right. Let's move to the center and draw a small half circle for the neck, coming down and then up. Then from the side, we're going to draw the collar. Bend this out and then in. We're going to leave a gap in between, and then from here draw a straight angle line going up and in towards the neck. Now underneath the collar, we're going to draw the body. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the legs. Let's add the socket for the legs, bend this in and then down. We're going to leave a gap in the center and then draw a straight line. Now let's add some stripes across the body. We're going to start with one line coming down the center. Add two curves on either side, from the collar coming out and then down. Now from the bottom of the body, we're going to bend the legs, coming down and then out towards the heels. Now from the heels, we're going to see the bottom of the feet. So when we start back on the left, we're going to draw an oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the foot, round out the foot, come down, and then round out the heel. Let's do the same thing on the right. We're going to go all the way up toward the top, round out the foot, and then bend that back in. Let's go to the top of the foot. We're going to bend this in, and then come down. Now we can go back to the hips, bend the leg, coming down and out on top of the feet. Now in between the hip and the foot, we're going to draw another curve for the edge of the boot. Now with the body in place, we want to bring the arms coming down from the body, coming around the feet, and then in. So let's start underneath the collar on the left, bend the arm coming down and then out, in behind the foot. And then we're going to follow this curve along the outside of the foot. We're going to go out, come all the way around, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going out, come around, and then in. Let's add a curve across the wrist. We're going to go up and then in just underneath the feet. And then we'll bend the top of the arm going out and then up. Let's tuck the back side of the arm underneath, starting down here, then it's up and then in underneath the foot. Now I'm going to add a thick cuff around the wrist. Starting from the bottom, I'm going to come down and then up, round out the top. And we'll connect the ends with another curve. From the bottom of the cuff, we're going to draw the palm, coming down and up. And then we'll add that first finger. We're going to step up, come down, go up toward the top, and then bend that out. Now I'm going to layer two more fingers on top, starting from the inside, come around, then out, go up to the top, then this up, and then in toward the top of the cuff. And let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Cloud Boy from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.